4.3 Debugging and Testing. Manual trial run. Manually, push the slider on the guide rail for a trial run to check whether the operation is stable and smooth. Detection accuracy. Use corresponding detection tools to verify whether the accuracy of the guide rail meets the design requirements. Adjust the gap based on the test results. Adjust the gap between the slider and the guide rail appropriately to ensure the accuracy meets the standard. Load test. Apply an appropriate load to the guide rail to test its bearing capacity. 4.4 Protective measures. Dust prevention measures. Install dust covers or strips around the guide rail to prevent dust and debris from entering the interior. Anti-corrosion measures. Avoid contact with corrosive substances, for example, acids and alkalis, to prevent rail corrosion. Moisture-proof measures in humid environments. Apply moisture-proof measures such as coating with anti-rust oil or installing dehumidification equipment. Regular inspection. Conduct routine inspections and maintenance of the guide rail to promptly detect and address any issues. 5. Disassembly safety precautions. 5.1 Personal protection. Wear personal protective equipment. Ensure that you put on appropriate safety gear such as helmets, protective glasses, gloves, and earplugs to safeguard yourself from potential hazards. Avoid injuries. Exercise utmost caution during disassembly to prevent injuries caused by sharp edges or corners of components, like bearing guide rails and sliders. Be mindful of your surroundings and handle components carefully. Maintain balance. Keep your balance throughout the disassembly process to prevent falls or injuries resulting from a loss of center of gravity. Ensure stable footing and use appropriate tools to assist you. 5.2 Equipment safety. Power off and shut down before commencing any disassembly. Make sure the equipment is completely powered off and shut down to avoid electrical shocks, mechanical injuries, or any other unforeseen mishaps.